Bonjour, solo adventurers! Are you dreaming of croissants and Parisian cafes, strolling through lavender fields in Provence, or conquering the slopes of the Alps? France, with its rich culture, stunning landscapes, and delectable cuisine, is a haven for solo travelers. But where do you begin? Don't worry, this guide will equip you with everything you need for an unforgettable solo trip to France. France is located in Western Europe, bordered by Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, and Andorra. It has coastlines along the Atlantic Ocean, the English Channel, and the Mediterranean Sea. The capital city is Paris. Solo travel is liberating. You set your own pace, explore hidden gems, and connect with locals and fellow travelers on your own terms. Embrace the freedom to indulge in your passions, whether it's art, history, food, or simply soaking in the atmosphere. Remember, you're not alone. France welcomes solo travelers with open arms. Start by considering your travel style and interests. Do you crave bustling cityscapes or charming villages? Are you an art aficionado, a foodie, or an outdoor enthusiast? Research destinations that align with your passions. Paris, Lyon, and Bordeaux offer urban delights, while the Loire Valley and Provence boast picturesque landscapes and culinary experiences. Hostels are a budget-friendly option and great for meeting fellow travelers. Apartments offer privacy and a local feel. Boutique hotels provide a touch of luxury and personalized service. Consider regional trains, buses, and car rentals for intercity travel. The TGV high-speed trains are efficient and comfortable. Begin your journey in Paris, where the iconic Eiffel Tower stands tall against the skyline, inviting you to ascend its heights for panoramic views of the city. Immerse yourself in art and history at the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. Explore the charming streets of Montmartre, where hidden gems await around every corner, from quaint cafes to the majestic Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Venture to the French Riviera for a taste of luxury and relaxation. Sink your toes into the sun-kissed sands of Nice and Cannes, renowned for their glamorous beaches and vibrant atmosphere. Marvel at the stunning coastal scenery that stretches along the Mediterranean coast, where azure waters meet lush landscapes and picturesque towns. In the Loire Valley, immerse yourself in a fairy tale world of romantic castles, enchanting vineyards, and quaint villages. Explore the grandeur of Château de Chambord and the elegance of Château de Chenonceau, surrounded by idyllic gardens and rolling countryside. Sample fine wines amidst the region's scenic vineyards and savor the charm of historic villages that seem frozen in time. In Lyon, indulge your senses in a culinary paradise famed for its delectable cuisine and vibrant food scene. Wander through the city's UNESCO-listed Old Town, where centuries-old architecture and hidden passageways beckon exploration. As night falls, immerse yourself in Lyon's lively nightlife, where bustling bars and cozy taverns pulse with energy until the early hours. Lastly, journey to Bordeaux, a wine lover's paradise nestled amidst rolling vineyards and picturesque landscapes. Embark on tasting tours at renowned chateaux, sampling the region's acclaimed Bordeaux blends and discovering the art of winemaking. Explore charming towns with medieval architecture, bustling markets, and a rich gastronomic heritage that celebrates the bounty of the land. From the enchanting streets of Paris to the sun-drenched beaches of the French Riviera and the vineyard-clad hills of Bordeaux, France beckons solo travelers with a tapestry of unforgettable experiences waiting to be discovered. France awaits, solo traveler. Embrace the freedom, independence, and self-discovery that comes with exploring on your own. With a little planning and these tips, you'll have an unforgettable adventure filled with delicious food, rich culture, and memories that will last a lifetime. Alors, tu attendez-vous? Bon voyage!
Hi, you want to learn incredible tips, comprehensive travel guide and ignite the travel spirit within you? Head over to Cashflow Academia to enroll in our courses and embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration. Don't just travel, travel smart. Enroll today and let's make your next adventure extraordinary. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.